Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how awesome Super Clean is. We're going to use it on a couple lawnmowers today. Love it. Degreaser, grit, grime, yuck. Sweet product. Pretty much hands-on free. So let's mix it up and let's do it. Alright, you can buy this stuff in a gallon jug or you can buy it in sprayers. I like to buy it in a gallon jug, save a little more money. Get a cheap sprayer from, say, the dollar store. I'm not going to tell you everything, but right here, lawnmowers, it wants you to use it full strength. For any application, it'll tell you how to use it. Me, I'm going to go 50 to 75% product to water. That'll work. Leave yourself a little bit of room in order to shake it up real good. You might ask, well, Rob, why didn't you use 100% like the directions said? Well, because you don't need it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to completely saturate this mower with this product. Completely. In your bad spots, here, there. I'll give it a little more. Just completely drench the mower, the rims, get it all. We'll get Toro here, it's pretty nasty here. So I use this whole bottle's worth, but you can actually see the grit and grime leaching off the mowers. Alright, so we're going to let this Super Clean sit for about 15 minutes and we're going to check that out. But if your lawnmower is not running properly or not starting up at all, I'm going to leave a card at the end of this video that may help you out. Remember when I said hands-free? I meant it. Hands-free, didn't scrub nothing, all clean, looking good. Hey, look, consider being a subscriber. Check out the rest of my channel. I do a lot of different content, but good content. Later.